Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing quite well today. I hope you all are having a blessed day. So I'm coming to you today, and we'll be doing Ecclesiastes 4:9-10. Two are better than one, because they have a good reward for their labor. For if they fall, the one will lift up the other. Ecclesiastes 4 chapter 9-10 verse. Thank you so much. I'm getting ready now to do a homemade turkey broth. Okay, I have a lot of the subscribers have asked for how to make the turkey broth. So I'm coming to you today to make the turkey broth. And I want you to see what I have. Okay, in this pot, I have 2 turkey tails and 1 turkey neck. Okay? Now I'm going to be putting in a gallon jug of water, because I don't use tap water. So, okay. I have a tablespoon of salt. And you may have to use more yourself. I don't know. And I will be putting in carrots, celery, and onions. They've already been cut, so I'll let...
And bell pepper.
And bell pepper, yes. Okay. I'll just drop all this in. It's already been washed, okay.
She has a whole bell pepper, 2 onions, 4 sticks of celery, and and the whole bell pepper.
Now I'm putting in onion powder.
Oh, and she used 5 carrots.
It's probably about 1/4 of a cup. Most time is what I usually use. This is my black pepper. You may, if you not season according to the way you want it. Once you boil your, once you get your turkey legs or wings or whatever you're going to be boiling for it, you can season it a little bit more if you like. But you see, due to the fact that you're going to be putting it in something anyway, it's okay. Now I have about 1/4 of a cup of garlic powder also. And this is my complete. And I'm going to be putting in about 1/4 of a cup of complete also. I'm getting, and then I'm going to put in the stick of butter. Give me the knife. All right. I'll be cutting the butter in little blocks. Okay, now I'm going to drop it in. And that's a stick of butter. Okay, now I'm going to get a spoon. I'm going to stir it just a little bit. And, well, I'm going to come out the spoon. Let's get a hand spatula.
Y'all can put rosemary, thyme, whatever you want to put in. Anything, other seasons y'all want to put in there, just, you can put it in there. Season of your choice.
And I'm going to put it on like on the burn. I'm going to do it at 200 for about 2 hours. 200 at 2 hours. Thank you. Okay, this is the final touches of my turkey broth that I've made. And I'm pouring it in a jar. I had used a jar that I keep empty jar. So I want you to see how it looks. It's very rich. I had the turkey neck and turkey butt in there with all the ingredients. So I'm going to be pouring it in a jar. I could have used a strainer, but I didn't take time to get it. Okay. So, this is the final touches of a turkey broth.
Yeah, it tastes.
It's very rich.
Tastes good. I had a spoon to taste it.
But you can add whatever you would like. For your seasoning in it. If you want more, you can put. Well, we have garlic powder, onion powder, complete, black pepper, and table salt. And then we use the carrots, bell pepper, and celery, and onions. And let it cook for 2 hours on 200. About 2 hours on 200. And just let it stay down low, because longer it boils, the sooner you get all of your ingredients, all your nutrients out of it for what you need for your dressing or whatever you're going to use it for. So it's very good. So I want you all to try it. So now whoever was, the subscribers was asking about it, I hope you will enjoy it. I hope you will get it and use it. And you'll see what you make very good, delicious dressing. You boil your greens or vegetables or whatever you want to do with it. But I know everybody's making dressing right now, so I'm sure that's one of the main things that you're getting it for. I wanted to know it for.
Yeah, y'all, please put your own, y'all can put your own seasoning in whatever you use. It's just what we use, as we say all the time. So,
and so leave it out though, but don't put it in the fridge while it's hot. Let it stay out till it cools, really cool, because if you don't, when you put it in the fridge, too hot. And then whenever you take it out, if you leave it out a little bit too long, it'll spoil real quick. So that's why I'm trying to explain that to you also. So I thank you, all my subscribers, all the new ones, all of my supporters, all of my members, ships, and everybody. And I appreciate those that just looking on. But I hope and pray that you all have a blessed day and a blessed day. And you shall see another video real soon. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you with all your love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye. Turkey broth. Thank you.